ముందుగా ప్రియమైన విద్యార్థులకు మరియు వారి తల్లిదండ్రులకు నమస్కారం. నా పేరు కె వెంకన్న జూనియర్ కాలేజీలో చైర్మన్. నేను ఈ రోజు 10th క్లాస్ విద్యార్థులను దృష్టిలో పెట్టుకొని మాట్లాడడం జరుగుతుంది. అది ఏమిటనగా, మనందరికీ తెలుసు, గత 2 సంవత్సరాలుగా కరోనా కారణంగా విద్యార్థులు ఎటువంటి పరీక్షలు రాయకుండానే పై తరగతులు పంపడం జరుగుతుంది. ఫలితంగా ఐఐటి జేఈ మరియు నీట్ లాంటి జాతీయ స్థాయి పరీక్షలను సాధించడం కష్టతరం అవుతుంది. దీనిని అధిగమించడానికి మరియు 10వ తరగతి పరీక్షలో అత్యధిక మార్కులు సాధించడానికి నేను మీ ముందుకు కె వెంకన్న జూనియర్ కాలేజ్ ప్లాట్ఫామ్ ద్వారా అనుభవజ్ఞులైన అధ్యాపకులచే ఉచిత వీడియో క్లాసులు, హ్యాండ్ రిటన్ నోట్స్ మరియు గత ప్రశ్నపత్రాల సమాధానాల విశ్లేషణ ఇవ్వబడును. కాబట్టి నేను విద్యార్థులకు చెప్పదలుచుకున్నది ఏంటంటే, ఈ ఉచిత వీడియో క్లాసులను మరియు హ్యాండ్ రిటన్ నోట్స్లను క్లాస్ రూమ్లో కూర్చొని చదువుకున్నంత సీరియస్గా చదువుకోవాలను. ఇంకొకటి ఏమిటనగా, ఈ యొక్క క్లాసులు విన్న వెంటనే అర్థం చేసుకొని ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయవలను. ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయడం అంటే కేవలం చదవడం కాదు, పేపర్ మీద రాయవలను. అలాగైతే గుర్తుండిపోతుంది. దీంతో పాటు మీ యొక్క నాలెడ్జ్ని పరీక్షించుకున్న కొరకు త్వరలో ప్రీ ఫైనల్ పరీక్షలు కూడా నిర్వహించబడు. ఈ యొక్క అవకాశాన్ని సద్వినియోగం చేసుకోవాలని 10th చదివే విద్యార్థులకు విజ్ఞప్తి చేస్తున్నాను.
Now let us see whether the given expressions are polynomials or not. I am giving you some examples. First I am writing 5 examples here. I will write 5 examples and discuss whether they are polynomials or not. I am giving you 5 examples. You must see whether they satisfy the conditions of polynomials or not. First let me write 2x cube plus 3 by 5 is an expression. Now we will determine whether it is a polynomial or not. I will just give 3 or 4 minutes time. First let me write all the 5 examples. Afterwards we will discuss individually. Next one is x minus 1 by 7. Next one is 5 by 2. Next one is 1 by x plus 7 by 2. Next one is x power 5 plus 3 by 5. I have given 5 examples here. I have written on the board 5 examples. Now let us discuss each one. First you look at this. What is the variable? I am writing here variable. What is the variable here? X. So as per our definition, it should have certain number of variables and certain number of real constants. It has one variable, therefore it is trying to hold as a polynomial because the highest degree is 3. Degree is 3. Is it non-zero? Yes. Is it non-negative? Yes. Therefore this is a polynomial. I am writing tick mark. What do you mean by yes? Yes, it is a polynomial. 2x cube plus 3 by 5 having got one variable x and it is third degree polynomial and the degree is non-zero and non-negative, therefore it is a polynomial. We have to verify whether the following are polynomials or not. Yes, it is a polynomial. Now let us come to the second example. What is the variable here? Again x. What is the highest power of x? 1. Though it is not written, x power 1 is 1, x. 1, if it is written or not written, it is holding. Therefore the degree is 1, which is non-zero, non-negative. Yes, is the answer for this. Yes, it is a polynomial. Come back to this third example. 5 by 2. What is the degree? Let us take the degree as x or y or z. But what is the highest power? 0. You can take this with the degree 0. X power 0 is 1. Even if you take it as y, y power 0 is 1. Therefore it is a real constant. You can say this as x power 0 here, 5 by 2 x power 0. It is also a polynomial, but order is 0, 0 degree polynomial. I am writing this with one variable because I have mentioned x. It is a x variable and a 0 degree and it is a polynomial. Look at this example. What is the degree of high x power, highest degree? It is in the denominator. If it comes to numerator, I will write it here. 1 by x is written as x power minus 1. What is the x? Base. What is minus 1 power here? Exponent, or this is also called as power. Here for 1 by x, the variable, it looks like variable, but the power is minus 1, as I have written there. It is variable x, but the degree is minus 1. If the degree is 0, less than 0, it cannot be a polynomial. Therefore, it is no, it is not a polynomial. This is not a polynomial because this fails to be a term in the polynomial. This can be a term, but this cannot be a term in the polynomial. Similarly, look at this, x power 5, x is the variable, degree is 5, therefore it is yes. I want to write few more examples related to not a polynomial. I am erasing the fifth one here and I am writing one more example here. So, you must be very careful to understand whether it is a polynomial or not. I am writing one more example. I will say this as fifth one. 1 by y square plus 5. What is the degree? Y power minus 2. If y square in the denominator is taken to the top, it is y power minus 2. What is the degree here? Minus 2. So, it is not a polynomial. Have you understood this? Like this, we have verified whether the given expressions are polynomials or not. I am writing one more example here, so that you must tell me whether it is a polynomial or not. I am rewriting few more, or I am writing few more examples here.
Hello students, myself Sunil Kumar Badal. I have done my BTech from IIT Kanpur. Here at K. Venkanna classes, I teach chemistry. So, right now I know you all are busy with your board exam preparation, but let me ask you a question. Suppose you want to be a cricketer. Who would you choose your coach? A cricketer or a wrestler? Answer is definitely cricketer. So, in the same way here, we are the group of IITians, NITian and doctor. So, if you really want to crack or get a seat into IIT, NIT or any top medical colleges, come here and join us. What are you waiting for? Thank you.
I am changing the variable. Here the variable continues to be x. I am taking this as z. 1 by z power 3 plus 1 by z power 2 plus 7. This is, say for example, 7. Z power is 3 in the denominator, it comes to numerator, it becomes minus 3. So, minus 3 is not valid, so it is not a polynomial. So, have you understood the types of polynomials and whether they are really polynomials or not? One more thing here, degree being 3, what do you call this polynomial? Yes, it is a polynomial, but what is this polynomial? Cubic polynomial. Have you understood this? This is an additional information I am giving you, but the question is verify whether the following are polynomials or not. Yes, we have confirmed, and now we are saying that it is a cubic polynomial too, because the highest degree is 3, which is cubic polynomial or degree 3 polynomial or order 3 polynomial. What about this power 1? What is this polynomial called? I have explained that 5 minutes back. It is a linear polynomial. When the degree is 1, it is called a linear polynomial. When the degree is 0, there is no name, but it is a constant. It is called constant polynomial also. This is anyway no polynomial. It is not a polynomial at all. Now, I am going to give you what are the zeros of the polynomial and how to verify the zero, the given number is a 0 or not in 2 minutes.